Hey guys, wanted to do a quick video showing off the Spectranet set that Ben Versteeg sent me here. So this is pretty much a production model Spectranet attached to a ZX HD. As we can see right here, pretty self-contained, Ethernet jack on the side, expansion connector, slides right in to the Spectrum expansion slot. Now I will go ahead and actually put this together here. And we will attach. It's always a little tricky with this. Alright, there we go. And there we go. So now I'm going to take and pause and we'll see this thing come up. And here we go. Nice, and let's go ahead, press the reset button, link in, and hopefully, with a little bit of DHCP action, we'll get an address. And we drop into our usual loader menu. I will take and select the 48K basic. We see our Spectranet banner, IP address, and we will now issue a command to mount IRATA.ONLINE. We do this with the mount command. The mount slot, which in this case is 0, followed by the address we want to mount. We get an OK, indicating that it works, and then we can now enter a %load command to actually issue the load. Excuse me. There we go. Now, since this is the Spectranet version of Plato Term, it's asking for a host name. Now, I could just as easily put in cybersurf.org to get to cyber1.org, or I can just press enter and go to IRATA.ONLINE. We'll see here. Asking for our name, I'll enter in my user account name. And yes, you can use full names with spaces for your username. I'm in the Atari group. Please don't hold that against me. Enter in my password. And we will find ourselves in the last place that I went to before we left, which in this case was the Notes menu. Give it a few moments there because it's clearing the screen. And we'll skip through some Notes pages here, go to the next page. And again, we're almost there. Commodore Amiga, Sinclair Spectrum. Let's have a look here. Now, of course, you can press F to select Sinclair Spectrum, but if you notice the quotes here, that tells you a name that you can enter to jump directly to it. So if you want to, you can at any point in the menu, hit go and type in Spec Notes. And here's the notes file for Spec Notes. And yes, the colors do look a bit washed out, but yes, it is actually indeed in color. So, all good. Fantastic. Let's have a look here. There's a thread here for people loading it, for people logging in on other systems here. So, yeah, we'll just say, we'll go ahead and just say hi, make a new note. So hit the extend key so we can hit one of the Play-Doh keys, and I'll use, since it's Shift Lab, it's Shift L. So that gets us a note screen. Learn to type correctly. $48K plus case. Where the heck are symbol shift? And I'll go ahead and use the extend M for micro and hit Shift T to do bold text. Watch this. Cap Shift. Sorry. So there you go. Now that we're done, we can hit extend again, Shift Enter, which is Shift Next. We get an identifying note. From my 3B, and there we go. There's our note. Now at this point, hit Next. We come back to the note screen here. Sure, no problem. We'll hit Extend, Shift Stop here. Extend, data, continue working, and we can go off and do something else. So, I mean, hopefully it's a nice little demo here, just kind of show you what's possible. The Getting Started section for the Spectrum users is a good overview of the entire system, and I will be making more of these as time goes on. But for the meantime, I hope this is a good little indicator of where things are at. These devices will be coming soon from ByteDelight.com. Please contact Ben Versteeg for more details. Thank you.